Have you ever spent too much time cleaning text in Excel? Splitting names, joining words, fixing spaces, changing letter cases, and doing everything manually? If you work with customer lists, employee databases, reports, HR records, or business data, these small tasks can waste hours every week. But today, I'll show you 11 powerful Excel text functions that every Excel user should know. These functions are used every day by professionals in offices, businesses, and organizations around the world. Let's learn them one by one. Function 1. TEXTAFTER. Let's start with a common problem. Suppose you have subcontinent, but you only need the second word. Instead of deleting the first word manually, let Excel do it for you. Click in the results cell. Type an equals sign. Now type TEXTAFTER. Open the bracket. First, select cell D4. This is the text we want Excel to analyze. Now type a comma. The comma tells Excel we're moving to the next argument. Now type quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks, type a single space. Close the quotation marks. Close the bracket. The formula becomes equals TEXTAFTER D4. Press enter. And wow, Excel instantly returns continent. TEXTAFTER simply returns everything after the specified character. This is incredibly useful when extracting last names, cities, product models, or codes. Function 2. TEXTBEFORE. Now imagine the opposite situation. You only want the first word from Washington State. Again, no manual editing. Click in the results cell. Type equals. Now type TEXTBEFORE. Open the bracket. Select D5. Type a comma. Now type quotation marks. Then a space. And close the quotation marks. Close the bracket. The formula is equals TEXTBEFORE D5. Press enter. Excellent. Excel returns Washington. TEXTBEFORE extracts everything before the specified character. Perfect for getting first names, countries, departments, and product categories. Function 3. TEXTJOIN. Now let's solve another everyday problem. You have first and last names stored in separate cells. Instead of typing them together manually every time, use TEXTJOIN. Click the results cell. Type equals. TEXTJOIN. Open bracket. First argument is the delimiter. Type quotation marks. Inside them type one space. Close quotation marks. Type comma. Next type true. True tells Excel to ignore empty cells. Type comma. Select D6. Comma. Select E6. Close bracket. The formula becomes equals TEXTJOIN. True. D6. E6. Press enter. Boom. Rocket. Emma Williams appears instantly. TEXTJOIN is perfect for creating full names, addresses, complete sentences, and reports. Function 4. TEXTSPLIT. Now suppose both names are stored in one cell. John Smith. But you want them in separate columns. Click the results cell. Type equals. TEXTSPLIT. Open bracket. Select D7. Comma. Type quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks type one space. Close quotation marks. Close bracket. The formula becomes equals TEXTSPLIT D7. Press enter. Amazing. Smiling face with hard eyes. Excel automatically separates John and Smith into different cells. TEXTSPLIT is perfect for cleaning imported data. Function 5. Trim. Have you ever received messy data with too many spaces? For example, we love Excel. Instead of removing spaces manually, use trim. Type equals. Trim. Open bracket. Select D8. Close bracket. Press enter. Excel removes all unnecessary spaces automatically while keeping only single spaces between words. A must-have function for cleaning business data. Function 6. CHAR. Now let's learn a fun function. Sometimes you only have an ASCII code, but you want the actual character. Type equals. CHAR. Open bracket. Select D9. Close bracket. Press enter. Excel converts the number into its matching character instantly. Very useful for symbols, separators, and special formatting. Function 7, UNICHAR. Now let's go beyond normal characters. Want to insert emojis or Unicode symbols? Type equals UNICHAR, open bracket, select D10, close bracket, press enter. Instantly, Excel displays the Unicode character, perfect for dashboards, reports, KPIs, and modern Excel designs. Function 8, REPT. Now imagine creating progress bars or repeating characters automatically. Instead of typing the same thing again and again, use REPT. Type equals REPT, open bracket, select D11, comma, select E11, close bracket, press enter. Excel repeats the value automatically. REPT is widely used for progress bars, visual indicators, and dashboard designs. Function 9, CONCAT. Need to combine two pieces of text? No problem. Type equals CONCAT, open bracket, select D12, comma, select E12, close bracket, press enter. Excel combines both words instantly. Simple, fast, professional. Function 10, upper. Sometimes your text is entered in lowercase, but you need everything in capital letters. Type equals upper, open bracket, select D13, close bracket, press enter. Excel converts every letter into uppercase. Perfect for employee IDs, product codes, and official reports. Function 11, proper. Finally, suppose your text looks like this. Best learnings. It doesn't look professional. Let's fix it. Type equals proper, open bracket, select D14, close bracket, press enter, and there it is. Every word now starts with a capital letter. Professional, clean, ready for reports and presentations. Proper is one of the most useful text functions for names, addresses, and customer databases. Congratulations! You just learned 11 powerful Excel text functions that can save hours of manual work. Whether you're cleaning employee records, customer lists, sales reports, HR databases, or business data, these functions will make your work faster, smarter, and far more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to master Excel formulas, dashboards, automation, and data analysis, follow Center of Best Learnings and keep learning practical Excel skills that you can use every day.